If your skin is not popping, it simply means that your skin texture is not giving, and you need to work on your skin texture, not on your skin complexion. What I'm about to tell you now is an open secret about your skin. Now, if you want to achieve a smoother skin, you want your skin to have this softness, you want to get a more plump skin, like you're feeling like your skin is feeling so dry, no body lotion is like giving you a smooth skin. You have tried alpha renewal body lotion glycolic acid, you have tried amlactin lactic acid. None of these lotions have given you a smoother texture skin. You have even tried to exfoliate your skin, many times a week. You have tried this and you have tried that, and all of this have not worked for your skin. Then today I'm going to be breaking down the possible reason why your skin is not accepting all these products you are giving to it, and then I'm going to tell you exactly what to do. But not to worry, the solution is very simple. You don't need to change anything in your routine. You don't need to change your favorite body lotion that is probably giving you your complexion that you want, but it's not giving you that skin. It's not giving you that softness, that plump that you want on your skin. Today, we are going to break everything down. Just give me a few minutes of your time, and I promise you it is going to be worth the watch. Now, there is something called trans epidermal water loss. Now, trans epidermal water loss is the measurement of how water evaporates from your skin into the air. Now, when this measurement is high, it means that water evaporates from your skin too much. When it is low, it means that your skin holds onto water more. Now, what happens when your trans epidermal water loss is high and water evaporates from your skin very fast? It simply means that when you apply your body lotion, when you apply your body lotion, your skin cannot hold to the water content, to the emollient, to the humectant, to anything, like anything that has to do with hydration. Your skin cannot hold onto it, and that is the simple reason why after applying your body lotion, you are going to notice that your skin is going to go back to feeling like you did not moisturize. And even if it feels a little bit like you moisturized, it is not giving you that plump, soft, textured skin that you are looking for. When this lingers, when your skin keeps feeling dry, when your skin doesn't get the adequate hydration it is meant to get, it keeps feeling dry, it keeps feeling dry, it keeps feeling dry. Over time, you are going to start experiencing textured skin. And this is the reason why a lot of you who have been experiencing textured skin, that have been trying exfoliating body lotions, exfoliating shower gels, this is the simple reason why it has not worked for you, because what you are treating is not the problem of your skin. Okay, so the main issue is trying to fix your skin to be able to hold down water, to be able to hold down hydration from the products you are using. So when you have this skin issue, no matter the hydrating body lotion you use, no matter how moisturizing the new body lotion you buy promises to be, when you still apply it on your skin is not still going to give you the results that you want. So now, let's go back a bit. There is something called ceramide. I believe that word is not new because we find it now in our face wash, we find it in our facial serums. Some body lotions contain ceramide as an ingredient. Now, ceramide is an essential fat that is found in the layers of our skin. Now, the function of ceramide to your skin is to help your skin to trap in water, to help your skin to hold down hydration from the products you are applying and even from the air. Okay, it's like withholds water from evaporating from your skin, thereby promoting a healthier skin, promoting a softer skin, promoting a plump, smooth skin. That is why when you see baby's skin, their skin is soft, their skin is tender, their skin, you always want to touch a baby's skin. It is simply because their skin have adequate, water content in it that is giving it that texture. Now, if your ceramide level is low, it is simply going to translate to your trans epidermal water loss being high, because ceramide on your skin is the key thing, or one of the key things that actually holds down water, holds down hydration on your skin. Now, to actually get that soft skin you are looking for, get that plump skin, get that baby tender skin you are looking for, we need to replenish your skin with ceramide. Once your skin ceramide level is being replenished, then it is going to translate to your trans epidermal water loss being low. That now means that your skin can now hold onto water, onto moisture, onto hydration. Then any lotion you now use, your skin is going to hold on to the hydration from that particular lotion, and over time you are going to start experiencing your skin feeling smoother, feeling softer, feeling tender, and giving you the beautiful results that you want. If you have not liked this video at this point, please do me a favor and click the like button right now. Subscribe to the channel, leave a comment in the comment section, ask your questions, and I'll always be there. In fact, I am always in the comment section with you all. If you're not new here, you know that I am in the comment section with you all the time. So do please like this video and share this video. It means a whole lot to me. Okay, so now let's continue. How do you replenish your ceramide level? There are different ways. You can take supplements. It comes in different types of treatment, but the one that we are talking about today, which is the easiest way to replenish your skin ceramide, which still works, which is actually very potent, is topical treatment. Now, by topical treatment, I mean body lotions, which is actually the easier one. You can easily go out tomorrow or today after seeing this video and go and get it. Okay, now we are going to get ceramide body lotions. Let me explain before we go ahead. When I mean ceramide body lotions, I mean body lotions that are typically written ceramide body lotion, not a vitamin C lotion with ceramide, not a retinol serum, not a retinol body lotion with ceramide, because a skincare ingredient being the main ingredient is different from that same ingredient being a supporting ingredient. Do you understand? The level at which a particular product or a particular ingredient works on your skin depends on the percentage that the manufacturer used to produce that particular product. So now, for this product to actually work for you the way I am saying it, we need to use the main product with the actual ingredient. So what I'm saying is, you need to get a ceramide body lotion. Do you understand? Now, the first recommendation I have for you, which is the most popular and one of the affordable ones, is the Face Fact Ceramide body lotion. Now, this is one of the affordable ones, and Face Fact is a brand that we know to work in as much as it is very affordable. The second one I have on my list is the Q+A ceramide body lotion. This one is also affordable and it also works. The third one is one of my favorites, and that is from Dr. TEWL's. That is the Dr. TEWL's ceramide body lotion plus avocado oil. Avocado oil is very good in moisturizing the skin, in smoothing the skin, and in also softening the skin. The fourth one is Ilion ceramide body lotion. Now, one of my clients actually got this Ilion and she really gave a good review about it, because she said it was nice, it smoothed her skin for the time she used it. It was very nice. It is a Korean skincare, okay, so it is quite on the high side. I think she got it for 30 something K. Okay, so yeah, but it really works. Do you understand? One thing with Korean skincare is that they try to use more of good grades of skincare ingredients. Okay, now the last one I have on my list is the Cosmo Restoring Ceramide body lotion. So just like I said, even if you are not getting any of these brands I talked about here, depending on the location you are watching me from, make sure to get a ceramide body lotion. Not vitamin C lotion with ceramide, not this lotion with ceramide. No, it has to be a vitamin C, it has to be a ceramide body lotion, and make sure that you are getting a brand that is trusted. I'm saying if you are not getting this particular ones, make sure you are getting a trusted brand, because when it comes to skincare ingredients, there are grades of skincare ingredients, and the grade of the skincare ingredients used in a particular product depends on the price. Do you understand? That is the difference between high cost products and low cost products. In some cases, not in all cases, some skincare brands like they hype a lot of things that are not actually in the product. But in most cases, a particular product is more expensive than the other because of the grade of ingredients that is contained in that product. This can say vitamin C body lotion, and it sells for $15, and this can say vitamin C lotion and it sells for $3. The simple difference is the quantity that was used, the percentage that was used, and the grade of vitamin C that was used, and the type of vitamin C that was used. Type is different from grade. So these are the things you need to know and put in mind when you want to buy your skincare product. So now, how do you use this particular product when you get them? Now, I've seen more success with my clients when they use these particular lotions with their existing lotion. What do I mean? You are going to apply these lotions the same time. You don't have to apply one in the morning and the one in the night. That is why I said you do not need to change your skincare routine. All you need to do is just to add this one. So this you are using this product with the mindset of taking a supplement. You are taking a supplement for your skin, but this time around you are applying it on your skin. Okay, so what you're going to do is your ceramide body lotion is going to be the first body lotion you are going to use on your skin. Then you are going to follow it up with your regular body lotion. So that's how it works. Very simple like that. Morning and night, or if you bathe once a day is fine. Just anytime you have your bath and you want to apply your body lotion, apply your ceramide body lotion first, then follow up with your already existing lotion that you use. If you still use your body oils and you feel free, you feel good to still apply your body oil, then you can still go ahead and apply your body oil. I do these layerings. I don't come here to tell you all what I don't do. And if I'm telling you this thing, it means that I have done it and I have seen progress in my skin. Because when people see you, or people admire fine skin, or your complexion is popping and all of those things, for your complexion to really pop, for that lightening or brightening cream you are using to really pop your complexion, your skin has to be smooth to some particular level. It is the smoothness of your skin that is going to pop your complexion. If your skin is not popping, it simply means that your skin texture is not giving, and you need to work on your skin texture, not on your skin complexion. When your skin texture is fixed, then your complexion is going to automatically pop. I need you to get that. So if your skin complexion right now is not popping, then I am going to need you to try out any of these products I talked to you about in today's video, and you are absolutely going to see a difference on your skin. Hope you have liked this video at this point. Please share it, leave a comment in the comment section, subscribe to the channel if you have not, and I'm going to see you on our next one.